Hey, what's up everyone? You all voted Spin Steal Beyblade making as the top choice in our community post, and now we'll make it with simple things. First, take a bottle cap and create prong holes using a cutter. Now, grab a used tap like this and stick the bottle with it with glue as shown in the video. Next, take another bottle cap and also two metal parts from a spinner. Attach it into the bottle cap, following the video. Now stick the entire bottle cap to the layer part using glue. Now, for the performance tip, Sinan is attaching a circular plastic part from a Bey launcher. Generally, since most Spin Steal Beyblades are stamina types, use a performance tip that has similarities with stamina type performance tip. Lastly, you'll need rubber bands like these, but normal rubber bands can also work. Attach the rubber band as demonstrated, though I think attaching the rubber band to the Beyblade might be a bit challenging. So, for better performance, Sinan attached two rubber bands. Now, let's see if the Bey can spin steal or not. Wow, it's working. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and do it now. Now, what are you waiting for?